In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to pick up on Walmart 2026. If you're shopping on Walmart's website and want your order set for pickup instead of delivery, there are two simple ways to make that change. I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever is faster for you. As you follow along, keep in mind that pickup availability can vary by item and by store, so what you see may depend on your location and local inventory. Let's start with the first method. Right from the Walmart homepage, open your browser and go to the Walmart website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top left of the screen for the option that switches between pickup and delivery. This control helps Walmart show you the right shopping experience based on how you plan to receive your items. Click that area, then choose pickup. When you do, Walmart may prompt you to confirm your location or preferred store so it can show pickup eligible items near you. That's normal and helps ensure accurate availability and timing. After you've selected pickup, browsing and adding items to your cart will prioritize pickup options wherever they're available. Now let's look at the second method, which is handy if you're already shopping or reviewing your items. Go to the top right corner of the page and click the cart icon to open your cart. Inside your cart, find the specific product you want to pick up. Look to the right side of that product's details for the fulfillment options. Here, you'll see whether pickup is available for that item. If pickup is listed, click it to check nearby options. This view will reflect stores in your area where the item can be picked up based on current stock. If you don't see pickup for a particular item, it usually means that product isn't eligible for pickup at the selected store, or it's out of stock locally. You can try a different store or keep that item set for delivery while switching others to pickup. A few quick tips as you use these options. Allowing location access or setting your zip code helps Walmart show the right stores automatically. Pickup availability can update throughout the day as inventory changes, so a quick refresh can help. Also, switching to pickup won't change the items in your cart. It only changes how you receive them. If something looks off, recheck the top left pickup setting or the item level option in your cart. That's it. Two straightforward ways to change to pickup on Walmart from the homepage toggle or through the cart on an item by item basis.